So students, in previous lecture we have discussed that if a quantity, any physical quantity depends upon two or more physical quantity. For example, we have discussed that x depends on a plus b. So in particular case, suppose x depend upon ab as a multiplied by b. For example, if we take area of a rectangle, what is the formula of area? This is L cross B. Just a second. Okay. This is L cross B. So, if a person is making some error in measuring L as well as in measuring B, then definitely area calculated will be different. Suppose this is L equal to 10, B equal to 5, area equal to 50. But suppose some person is making 10.5 and here it is making 5.5, area is different. So obviously when some error is introduced in measuring L and B, definitely its effect will be reflected on the area. So similar way, x is a physical quantity which is related to A and B as x equal to A multiplied by B. Suppose a person is making some error in measuring A and he is measuring A as A plus minus delta A. Means this delta A is error. This delta A is error in measuring A. In the same way, B plus minus delta B, this delta B is error in measuring B. So obviously, when we calculate x, what we put? A plus minus delta A multiplied B plus minus delta. And here x will be x plus minus delta x. So to calculate this value delta x, we solve this relation. Take x as a common, 1 plus minus delta x upon x. From this factor we can take a common, plus minus delta a upon a. In the same way, b common, plus minus delta b upon b. Now x is what? From this x equal to a multiplied by b. So we can cancel x as, so we can write 1 plus minus delta a upon a, 1 plus minus delta b upon b. On multiplying this, we can get delta a upon a and delta b upon b. So this one, so we can cancel out. So we get plus minus delta b upon b plus minus delta a upon a multiplied delta b upon b. Now, what is delta a? Delta a is error. Error in what? Error in measuring A. So obviously, just a second. So obviously, this delta A will be very small as compared to A, because error कभी बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Error means error. हम कोई क्वांटिटी मेजर कर रहे हैं, सपोज वी आर मेजरिंग 10 मीटर लेंथ ऑफ 10 मीटर. So it is not possible that in spite of measuring 10 meter we can measure 10 as 18 meter, 17 meter. No, the only possibility is 10.5, 10.6, 9.2, 10.8. So the value of delta A is very small as compared to A. So delta A upon A is very small, very less value as compared to 1. In the same way, delta B upon B is also very smaller, very much smaller than 1. So when we multiply these two terms, delta A upon A into delta B upon B, what will happen? This value become very less as compared to 1. ये वैल्यू बहुत छोटी हो जाती है as compared to 1, क्योंकि हम 1 से छोटी क्वांटिटी को when we multiply the values of less than 1, then the product will also very small. 0.9 into 0.9, that is 0.81. 0.8 into 0.8, that is 0.64. So when we multiply the two quantities which is less than 1, the product is again the product of these quantity will be very less than compared to these two quantities. So when we multiply delta A upon A, delta B upon B, this quantity become very less as compared to 1. So on comparing these quantity, this quantity become very less, means this is tending towards 0 or negligible as compared to these two quantities. So we can get this is this is expression for product of two quantities. Again, what is this? This is relative error. In previous lecture, when we have discussed the types of error or types of measuring of error, we have discussed this thing. This is relative error. This is also relative error. This is also relative error. So in case of product, relative errors are added. In case of sum, in previous lecture we have discussed this thing. In case of summation or subtraction, addition or subtraction, the absolute errors are added. But in case of products, relative error are added. So this is what? This is combination of error. Combination means a quantity which is depend upon two or more quantity with product by the function of product. So what we get? This is our final conclusion, that their relative errors are added to calculate the net error.